Subject and object pronouns. Welcome to our video on subject and object pronouns. In this video, we will explore how to use these essential parts of speech correctly. If you like what we are doing, please support us by subscribing, liking, and sharing, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated whenever we have new videos. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that take place of nouns. They help us avoid repeating the same nouns over and over. There are different types of pronouns, but today we'll focus on subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. The subject is the person or thing doing the action. Here's the subject pronouns. Use I when talking about yourself. Use you when talking about someone. Use he for a boy, man, and use she for a girl, woman. Use it for things, animals, or ideas. Use we when talking about yourself and others. Use they for more than one person, thing, or animals. Examples: I like to read books. You are my best friend. He is playing soccer. She loves ice cream. It is raining. We are going to the park. They have a pet cat. Object pronouns. Object pronouns are used as the object of a sentence. The object is the person or thing that receives the action. Here are the object pronouns. Use me when referring to yourself as the object. Use you and referring to the person you are speaking to as the object. Use him for a boy, man. Use her for a girl, woman as the object. Use it for things, animals, or ideas as the object. Use us when referring to yourself and others as the object. Use them for more than one person, thing, or animal as the object. Examples: the teacher called me. I will help you. She gave him a gift. We saw her at the store. The dog chased it. Mom made cookies for us. The coach congratulated them. Common mistakes and tips for remembering. Mistake number 1: mixing up subject and object pronouns. Incorrect. Her went to the store. Correct. She went to the store. Tip: remember, if the pronoun is doing the action, it should be a subject pronoun. If the pronoun is receiving the action, it should be an object pronoun. Mistake number 2: using object pronouns as subjects. Incorrect. Me and John are going to the park. Correct. John and I are going to the park. Tip: when you have more than one person in the subject, say it without the other person to check if it sounds right. I am going to the park sounds correct, but me am going to the park does not. Mistake number 3: using subject pronoun as objects. Incorrect. The teacher called I. Correct. The teacher called me. Tip: after an action verb, use an object pronoun. Think of what the teacher or anyone doing the action called. You wouldn't say called I, but called me. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct subject or object pronoun. She or her is my best friend. Can you help I or me with my homework? We gave they or them a ride to school. He, him, and I, me are going to the movies. The cat chased it. Let's check the answers. Answers. She is my best friend. Can you help me with my homework? We gave them a ride to school. He and I are going to the movies. The cat chased it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.